Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to undo my mini braids, and also after undoing the mini braids I'm going to style my hair using gel with an extension. Later, after a few days, I'm going to install artificial locks, so stay tuned, watch this video to the end. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have any question, make sure you comment down below and let me know what you think of my hairstyle. I'm using Mikala leave-in treatment with water to moisturize my mini braids so that it can be easier for me to detangle the hair after undoing the mini braids. My voice today is not good at all. Dikodahoba, dikodahoba. So please, don't worry about it. I'll be fine soon. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Be careful when detangling your hair, and make sure you use a lot of conditioner so that your hair doesn't break that much. For me, I didn't lose much hair. For the past 3 weeks I have been using cloves to moisturize my hair. That's cloves water. You just boil the cloves, or you can soak them in water for 24 hours before you start using the water. So that's what I have been using for the past 3 weeks, and I can see a big difference. My hair has grown a bit. It's strong, the shading is less, and also I can say it's darker than before. So now I'm going to finish undoing these mini braids, and then I'll be back. I'm not going to show you when I'm styling my hair, because I styled it when it was dark at night. So I'm just going to show you after styling my hair. Yeah, here is your girl all styled up. It's a Sabbath morning. I'm going to church, and then I'm going to stay with this hairstyle for the next 1 week, a whole week, and Then I'm going to install Artificial Locs. Yes, stay tuned. Yeah, this is a week later. You can see how my face looks. This is because I didn't use a sunscreen or I didn't wear a kofia to protect my face from so much heat. As you can see, my hair is so dirty and I'm going to have it washed at the salon. Now I'm ready to go, and this is the outfit of the day. I don't apply any makeup. I'm just going to go as natural as I am. These are the locks that sorry, these are the locks that I'm going to install. Yeah, I made them myself, and I think I uploaded the video of me making these artificial locks. If you haven't watched it, make sure you go back and watch the video, and also give it a thumbs up. This is the end of our video. I'm so excited that you watched this far. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, so that you can be notified when we post a new video. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you in the next video.